blame dia bila their generation.
No, you have to blame yourself. Who else to blame?
Tapi for me, itulah.
No, you have to blame. Who else to blame? You yang besarkan dia. Lain lah kalau macam you pergi bagi letak kat rumah orang mana-mana kan, suruh dia besar. There's a different story. But whatever happened to your kids, the one that needs to be blamed is you. It's you.
Don't be hard on yourself.
No, I'm not like macam then you should realise, janganlah bila dah besar dah terlambat pun, that's a bit too late, because I realise that this is something, ini bukan macam bila I dah tahu benda ni, sebab tu I cepat-cepat bawa anak I pergi jumpa terapis.
You take the accountability.
Yeah.
Be a responsible mom.
Sebab I dah face benda
dia.
tu. I dah face benda tu. Jadi I tak mau dia end up like what I'm facing right now, because she's not strong enough to face what I'm facing. She's not strong.
Jadi maksud dia, you put the blame tu, you own it, and you make change.
I have to tell her that I don't know how to change her to be as
other people,
heartless like what I'm facing. You have to be others, because if you concern about what people think about you, then dia susah nak hidup di masa sekarang. That's why I macam ambil satu langkah ke bawah untuk tidak terlalu aktif di dalam industri. This is also the reason why, because I cannot accept what people talk about